At your North Texas Ford dealers, we know our roads are only as strong as the people driving them. That's why we're committed to strengthening education, community, and partnerships with the people we serve in North Texas. We celebrate the grit of our Friday night heroes and stand shoulder to shoulder with the future farmers of America. Whether it's under the stadium lights or in the classroom, we're stronger when we work together and lift each other up. And at the Dan Dipert Auto Tech School, we're putting the right tools in the hands of the next generation. Beyond just teaching a trade, we're fueling careers.
I just really appreciate Ford's willingness to step up. It was, hey, we have a passion to see the kids grow. How can we help? And we were able to sit down, have a conversation, and they just jumped full force in.
It's a place where passion meets horsepower. And for students like Michelle, it's the starting line for a lifelong journey.
I love the feeling finding a problem and then fixing it and then the reward after it being done. Everything I needed to know to get a job at a dealership, I learned here. That way when I graduated, I could hop right into the industry.
From the classroom to the open road, we're driving possibilities. Your North Texas Ford dealers, building a better North Texas together.